Hi guys, today we have a area and we're gonna work on exercise number 4 from fundamentals of piano technique. So Aria, play please left hand. You're right-handed, right? So left hand is more challenge for her, and let's do fingers 3 and 2 for this one. 3 and 2. It's a exercise on the 2 notes under slur, and we're looking for this beautiful intonation, different tone for the first note and for the second note. Okay, go ahead. Okay, stop here and let's fix a little bit. Let's adjust a little bit. So all fingers together, like one happy family, right? So bring the fingers here, bring your arm here, and sometimes we just need to reach with our torso. If you're so far away and you're trying to do something wonderful, they're just struggling fingers by themselves, okay? So use remember that you play piano not just with the fingers but with all your arm, where you need the weight, okay? So engage all your arm and the body. Lean a little bit forward. Yeah, go. Okay, it's already better. Now let me ask you, second note, before you play second note, lift the finger, so your touch would be intentionally lighter, not just play whatever, right? So okay, give me a couple more notes and stay here, fingers 3 and 2. Good job, you got it. So what we want to have after each pair, we want to this kind of let go moment, let release and continue. Right hand, of course, also. I hope you learned something, guys. Thank you, Aria.